Is your Ford F-150 2050 Plus flip key not working or failing to flip open? It's likely a dead battery. The fix is simple and saves money compared to dealership replacements. You'll need a CR2032 battery or CR2025 for some older 2015-2017 models, costing under $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool. Remember to insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Let's get started with opening the case. First, flip open the key blade on your F-150's flip key fob. At the hinge, use your tool to gently pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to force it. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery from its clip. Insert the new battery, positive side up. Snap the fob back together and test. If the remote functions still don't work, the problem might be with the vehicle's keyless entry system, not the fob itself. Remember to recycle the old battery properly.